Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming to my presentation today. Before we start, I will introduce myself. My name is Alina Piskajas. I'm from Labuan Bajo. I'm a student for Widyatama University, and I'm the CEO of this business, and I'm the presenter of the presentation today. Let's talk about my presentation today, namely my own business is website creation service. Let's we talk about the point of this presentation. I'm so happy to answer any question to the end my presentation. Let's start with company overview. It cannot be denied that apart from social media and marketplace, websites are the most important factor in online presence. However, not all business owners have the time to learn, to build and manage their own website. Therefore, taking help from a website creation agency can be the right solution. This website creation service business is a small business run from secret location in the owner house. If this business is successful and can achieve the expect goals, then the owner will energize this business by opening branches. The next point is mission statement. The first, providing information and communication server in the form of effective and efficient digital media. The second is connection business with customer online. The third is providing reliable and sustainable web solution. The fourth is increasing business successful through web optimization. And the last is supporting business growth through technology. And the third is our company. Providing intermediary service and information for seller and buyer widely distributed via the internet. Let's move off the final point that's called its executive summary. In this point, I will explain for 5 parts. It's first business overview, the second is customer, the third is marketing and sales, the fourth is managed plan, and the last is financial plans. Let's start with the first business overview. In business overview, we have problem is relevant for the market needs and the solution our business gives to finish the problem. We have two problems in here, but I will explain one problem. The first problem is small business struggle to manage and update their website independently, resulting in sites that are not up to date and functional. And the solution our business gives is our business provides ongoing maintenance and support as well as CMS platforms such as WordPress so that client websites are always up to date, short and easy to manage without requiring in-depth technology knowledge. We can see the second problem is about many business have website but that website don't have interested the customer so that we give a solution for the problem like give custom website creation that is tailored to your need and brand identically, and we have provided social media so that we can make customer interested about that business. In business overview, we talk about competitors, that is Web Studio Bandung, Digital Web Indonesia, and Wix Secure Space. I have analysis that competitors based on service offer, superiority, and lack. We talk about Web Studio Bandung. Service offer they give is website design and development local, CEO. Superiority is good reputation in local community and competitive price. The lack is customer service is limited to business hard. Digital Web Indonesia server offer is website design, development, hosting, and maintenance. Superiority is broad portfolio with large clients And last is high price, less focus on small business. And the last is weak secure space. Service offer is website creation platform with drag and drop border. Superiority is easy to use tools for use professional templates. And the last is limited customer, lack of local support. The comparison between service offered by comparison, we call them, and service offered by our business, we call us them. First, standard service with limited flexibility. 2, limited customer support. 3, CMS is not user-friendly. 4, inconsistency or results. 5, basic social media integration. Us is 1, a service completely tailored to the client's need. Second is respond to 24/7 customer support. Third is user-friendly CMS with us user training. 4, transparent CEO with measurable result. 5 is deep and optimal social media integration. The second part is customer. Our customer, the customer we focus on this business is 40% for small and medium enterprise, we call SMEs, and the second is 25 for large company, and the third for 20% for individual of freelance professional, and the last is 15% for education institutes. The third is marketing and sales. About my business, our service we give to clients is first, custom website creation. Second is maintenance and support service. Third is content management system, we call GMS. 4 is CEO service. 5, social media integration. And the last is website security. Advertising and promotion. Advertising is make your website look professional. Brand ambassador. We work together with Technology Vanguard to promotion our business website. And about the online, we use Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads to promotion about my business. The fourth is manage plan. About our team, the CEO is Priska Jas and the team is developer John Jimmy and the designer is Daniel Albert. Organizational card. In the organizational card, we can see Priska Jas as the CEO who leads the company and also works to serve our customer. The company have the development and the design of, we call John Jimmy for the development and Daniel Albert for designer. Our location is only in Labuan Bajo. If this business progress and is successful, we will open branch in another place and expect our team to help with the work. Manners marketman is first, all communication with clients must be answered with 24 hours on business day. The second is support service are available 24/7 for client with maintenance contract. And the third is every project must go through an internal quickly check before being handed over to the client. And the last is client data and project information must be stored securely and accessible only to authorized staff. The last part we talk about financial plan. Balance sheet. First, income. Monthly income is 50 million. Annual income is 600 million. 2, expense. Monthly operational cost is 41 million. And annual operation cost is 492 million. And the third is balance. Monthly profit is 9 million and annual profit is 108 million. That's bring me to the end of my presentation. As I say earlier, I welcome your question. Thank you for your attention.